Little Chemist. I'm Rowena Dana Lucing Caballero, a student from Liceo de Cagayan University. Together with me, we will be conducting an oil spill cleanup activity. An oil spill is the release of a liquid petroleum hydrocarbon into the environment, especially the marine ecosystem, due to human activity, and it is a form of a pollution. On a daily basis, hundreds to thousands of spills are likely to occur worldwide, including in the oceans. National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, or the NOAA, has a comprehensive guide to all oil spill strategies, including booming, skimming, barriers or berms, physical herding, manual oil removal, mechanical oil removal, sorbents, vacuum, debris removal, sediment reworking, and in situ burning, among other activities. However, the responses depend mainly on various factors, such as the amount of oil involved, the type and quality of oil, the conditions prevailing in the area, and where the incident have happened. So, the responses need to be science-based in order to minimize the possible negative impacts like soil erosion and environmental contamination. Do you ever wonder how the scientists fix this? Let's find out by having a mini laboratory.
This will be the materials to be used. We have here water with an orange food coloring and a used motor oil. We will put it together. As you can tell, oil and water do not mix up. In fact, oils are hydrophobic, meaning they are water-fearing. Instead of being attracted to water molecules, oil molecules are repelled by them. The oil will float because it is less dense. First technique that we will use is called the dispersant. Dispersants are chemical agents similar to soaps and detergents like what I am using now that help break up an oil slick into very small droplets which dilute throughout the water. While this does not remove the spilled material, smaller oil particles are more easily biodegraded and it provides a measure of protection for sensitive habitats threatened by a surface leak. The good thing in using this is that it aids biodegradation by forming tiny oil droplets, making them more available for microbial degradation. Wind, current, wave action, or other forms of turbulence helps this process. The increased surface area of these very small oil droplets makes the oil much easier for the petroleum degrading microorganisms to consume. Second technique that we will use is called the boom and skimmer. It uses specific chemical devices for this, but we're just gonna use spoon. An oil containment boom is a large maneuverable flotation device that is used to contain an oil or chemical spill within a water area, as well as skimmers are devices that can remove oil from the sea surface before it reaches sensitive areas along a coastline. I'm scooping mechanically a lot of oil, but then it takes a lot of labor and time. But the good thing here is that the oil being separated can be used for its original purposes like fuels. Third technique that we will use is called the sorbent. We will be using a cotton ball. To be useful in combating oil spills, sorbents need to be both oleophilic or oil attracting and hydrophobic, meaning water repellent. Although they may be used as the sole cleanup method in small spills, sorbents are most often used to remove final traces of oil or in areas that cannot be reached by skimmers. As soon as they absorb enough oil, they have to be removed from the water and disposed elsewhere. Among the three techniques used, what do you think is the most effective method in combating oil spills? Observe, observe, observe.
Since oil exploration from oceanic resources has become a must, and oil spills occur accidentally, it becomes important, it becomes crucial to employ various oil spill cleanup methods. Among the three techniques, we can conclude that desorbent, like the cotton balls that I've used, effectively soak up oil and oily waste products. Some have oil adhere to their external surfaces and are so-called adsorbents. Some absorb the oil into their structure and are called absorbents. That's all for today's marine oil spill cleanup activity. Hope that you've inculcated some insights from this.